What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Today, well, as you just seen, it doesn't seem like we're in New York City anymore. We are a little closer to the equator. We're in Florida, going on a trip to the Caribbean. And today, we rented a supercar. Well, not supercar. We rented a supercar killer. One of the fastest production vehicles in the world, 2025, brand new, over 640 horsepower. And let's just say it sounds very exotic, but maybe it isn't. Maybe it's a flat plane crank V8. I said too much, but without further ado, let's get into the video. And we are off. Where is it? I'm looking for it. Where is it? It's supposed to be bright yellow. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, brand new C8 V06. A lot of people looking. Let's get out of here and we'll do a quick little walk around. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go pull in a lot, like I said, so we can kind of get away. We're going to take the roof off this thing and we'll give a little walk around, show you guys the car, some revs, and we'll take it for a rip. But let's see if we can hit that 0 to 60. You guys know the 0 to 60 on this car is under 3 seconds. So the launch is brutal and it sounds even better. But we do have an underpass ahead. Oh my god, this thing sounds... We're gonna take the roof off it, but we gotta figure out how to do it. I believe it is... oh, it's under in the back, right over here. And the roof... Look at that flash cam. The roof should fit right inside. There is 2 clips right here. There's 3 clips, 2 into each visor, and then there's 1 up top. So you got to go out, out, and then you clip into the plate. Actually, line up with 1 person. Soft close, boom, and now we got the roof open. So if you guys see, this is not the ZTK package, so it does not have the high downforce wing. It does not have the high downforce wing. It has the low drag package, so it's more of a top speed. But we're gonna get some revs for you guys. Let me give the camera to my cameraman for today, guys. We had to replace Frank. Frank is with us on this trip, but he did not unfortunately get the Z06, so we replaced him with my dad. So you're gonna click Z mode. It's gonna open ultimate track package, and then basically opens the valves in the back. And if you guys don't know, if you look here, when you have it in normal mode, you will limit itself. If you hold in park, if you hold both paddles in, I did bring my radar back from New York City because if you guys know, Florida just passed a new law, the super speeder law. If you go 50 over the limit or in excess of 100, you go to jail. So let's hear it. Give it some revs. Oh my god, that heat off that exhaust is crazy. But yeah, so let's go take this thing for a rip. Let's go take it out for the day and let's go have some fun. Now we got the full setup. We were in touring mode, in track mode. We were in track mode, in track mode. We were in touring mode, in track mode, which means you weren't in track mode. But we were in track mode, so it's kind of confusing. But very graceful, very graceful. I'm used to it because of my car. All right, guys, I forgot sunscreen, so we gotta go and grab some sunscreen real quick because we're already burning and it is like 90 degrees here in Florida. So let's go get some sunscreen. Oh, look at that first spot when you walk right in. Hold on here. Sunscreen acquired. All right, guys. So sunscreen acquired, drinks acquired. $20 later, but that's fine because we're in a Z06 today, so it's all good in the neighborhood. Look at this baby. I got the highest one, 70. But looking good today. Actually ran into a fellow New Yorker, but yeah. So this is what we got working today. Or the beach or rent a C806. I choose C806 every day of the week, and this is why. Time to throw the roof back on because it looks sunny, but in Florida, that could change at any given second. Pop, pop. I know you guys have been waiting for this. I'm barely touching the I see him. It's not even like it's like effortless for this thing. I go the way I'm barely moving this. These tires are burning hot, so they're sticky as anything. PS4 is. If you hold both paddles in, you can rev it all the way up to 7,000. Where is he? 34722. Where is he? The golden arches. Now, did I say to go to McDonald's because the car is yellow and McDonald's is yellow? Maybe. Okay, yes. Look what we have here. So I don't want to be that guy, but it looks pretty good next to it. And maybe I parked it here on purpose. Maybe not, but this thing is insane. Let's pop the engine for you guys. You can feel the heat. Oh my god, that burnt. I got burnt by the exhaust. And it's raining. Of course it's raining. Why wouldn't it be raining? But I'll be honest, it was supposed to rain the whole day, so the fact that it's just raining now is honestly a blessing in disguise. But let me throw you guys inside real quick so you guys don't get wet. Oh my god, it's downpouring. All right, I gotta get a picture. Gotta get a thumbnail. Listen to that air intake on the side. Oh my god. This thing is insane. And they were getting downpoured on again. Oh my god. And guys, So this is what I'm talking about. You know how one of the last videos I said, you know, I quit my job and I want to do something for myself because at the end of the day, I'm doing something and building wealth for other people. Oh, there's people behind us. Give them a rev. But yeah, sorry, I had to give them a rev. They were looking at the car, pointing at it. As a car guy, you got to do that. But the thing is, when I say, like, you know, why I quit my job, why I'm starting a business, why I mean, I love filming, but why I film for other people as well is because you realize if you want to strive for more and you want to be driving something like this, you're not going to get it by working for somebody else. So I hope you guys are here for the journey, for the long haul, because we sure are, and we're going to make it happen. You know, this thing called fine dining, and I'll say the view of this logo with that, I don't think it gets better than that. This is like 5 Michelin stars, if you ask me. Oh, look what we have here. He doesn't got it. He knows the demon can't even keep up with this baby, let alone a Hellcat, a little baby Hellcat. Alright, so, ready? Wait, you know how to do it, right? Yeah, just like, hold on. Alright, if you can't open it, you can't get in.
Mom, FaceTime audio.
I'm going for a ride.
Let's see, if you can't open it, you can't get in.
Got it.
Oh, like a natural, look at that. I don't really know what to say other than we need one desperately, and I'm gonna get run over, it seems like. Hey, don't run me over. Guys, drop a comment down below what you think of the new C8 Z06. Would you guys buy one? Would you get a different car for the price point? For that price point of the C8 Z06, they go for about 100. Well, right now, we buy a used around 100, but they go all the way up to $150. Would you buy that for that price? Would you buy a new M4, M3 comp? What would you buy? Drop a comment down below. Well, that didn't go to plan. The sheriff was right behind them. Guys, I can't believe the sound of this thing from on the downshift and the acceleration. Now, in New York, I saw one Staten Island, and that thing was flying. Like, it was moving fast. And I was pretty close to it. I was standing right on the sidewalk. He had to be going well over 100. It was like a 30-mile-an-hour zone. So, welcome to New York City. But the way that thing sounded under load is like no other. It sounds literally like an exotic. But yeah, so then my little cousin just wrapped up his ride. Gonna get out. I think we're gonna go take it to a back road, give it a little launch, maybe a little 0 to 60 test. The indicated 0 to 60, I think it's about 2.9. I might be correct, stand corrected, but we're gonna see what we can do. It just rains, so we'll figure it out. Ah, graceful. Oh my God, I'm falling out of this thing. How much does it cost to fill up a C8 Z06? So let's see. Oh my God. What? Stop? Yeah. Oh. I guess we filled up, so if you're wondering how much it costs to fill up a C8 Z06, $52.27. Oh my God, you can feel the heat just radiating off the exhaust. Gotta burn some of the gas off. I think we're gonna do a nice little chill drive on the way back. I'll cut back to you guys when we drop it off. God. Alright guys, so that is gonna wrap up today's video here with the C8 Z06. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but other than that, it's been Andrew, and I gotta go. Bye bye C8. Bye bye Z06. That was fun.